Today we're going to be looking at this handy stand. You can use it for all kinds of things. You can use it as like a TV tray if you want to eat food while you're watching TV, or if you're in a makeshift workplace and you need a little desk, kind of like how I'm using it right now. You can do that. You can see I'm pushing on it. It's sturdily locked in place, so you don't have to worry about it collapsing on you, anything like that. I'm going to give you some close-ups, show you how I put together, and we'll go from there. Okay, so this stand does not require any tools whatsoever to put together. You can see right here it's adjustable, so you can lower it and raise it. So if you wanted to actually just sit on the floor and use it, you could do that. This right here locks it into place, so I've got it locked in place, but if you open that up, then you can slide this up and down. And then you can also adjust the height of the table and how the table is there. You can see right there, it just kind of slides into place. So very easy to put together, and it's got a nice size tabletop here, so you could actually have a cup of coffee, a laptop, a notebook, and a computer and get work done, or you could just use this to eat dinner while you're watching TV. It's, like I said, it's very easy to put together. It took me maybe 2 minutes. Requires no tools. You can collapse it and adjust the heights. It's a cool product, and I highly recommend it. Thanks.